I am unboxing my Map of the Soul 1 DVD set. This is the non-Blu-ray version. I bought this particular one off of Amazon from K-Pop Market, the seller. They did a really great job of packaging, so props to them for doing that. As a result, it is flawless, as you can see. Okay. Ooh, okay, so these are the holographic ticket style photo cards. Let's go through all of them. This is Jungkook, the Jimin, J-Hope, Suga, Jin. So they kind of have this holographic coating to them. And then RM. I like how these are a little bit more substantial than your average photo card. So that's very cool. Okay. And this is the 3 DVD set. Kind of cool how they have it in red, black, and then this kind of transparent red. So you get all those, and the Photobook. I love how it has kind of this black matte cover. Okay, we'll see if I pull who I pulled today in terms of photo card. Some very cool stage costumes and shots from the performances. Oh, who am I pulling? Oh, I pulled RM. Wow, these are amazing. Ah, Jimin, the Jin's Moon performance. And some backstage shots. Very cool. Okay, well, so in summary, you get a photo book, 3 DVDs, the 7 hologram ticket photo cards. These are really cool. And then you get 1 sort of special photo card, Map of the Soul 1 experience photo cards. It's kind of cool how they also dated it. So you definitely know when the photo cards were created. And that's the Map of the Soul 1 DVD.